That's a lot of fire.
It's chewing like right through this case.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
Are you ready to get lasered?
Laser.
Hey everyone, it's Alex over at Laser Everything, and welcome to the 4th episode of Lasered. Today we're going to be finding some great settings for and ultimately destroying some Google Pixel Buds Pro.
The actions you're about to see are performed by professionals.
Okay dude, what do you got?
We're back to the Pixel Buds.
Pixel Buds. The
Pixel Buds Pro.
Yeah,
yep.
Definitely.
So in terms of plastic, this seems more of like a matte version of the AirPods.
The AirPods Pro, yeah.
So I'm thinking same settings.
Same settings. Okay, cool. Well, let's give it a shot. If you want to throw that in the computer, yep. I'll get this under here. Instantly, it's looking great. That's awesome. Same dark mark too.
Yep, absolutely.
Definitely.
It pops.
The UV just kills it on these plastics.
Yep.
Yeah, super good. And the sound is so great. I want to run it again so that we can just get a listen on that sound, because that sound was so cool. Perfect, and yeah, you guys can see that here. Just a flawless mark. I don't even want to mess with it any more than that.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah,
it's 10 out of 10.
It's definitely perfect. So, diode.
To the diode.
To the diode. Pixel Buds Pro, meet the diode. It's just so inconsistent.
And stinky.
And very stinky. That's really bad.
Yeah. I think you know what? These are all very similar plastics.
Yeah.
Underneath that clear layer on the phone, the AirPods, and now this.
Look at that.
I just don't think we're gonna get a very pro level mark on the diode. I think
it just transfers energy to these plastics too slowly, it seems. And so there's too much time for it to heat up. Yeah, we just kind of get like this melting.
By the time you get a mark, it's already too late. It's melted.
Yeah. So
to the CO2.
Yeah, CO2 for you, buddy. We've moved the Pixel Buds Pro over to the CO2 laser, and we've not had great luck in this season so far on this machine.
The CO2 is not looking good right now.
CO2 Galvo, not very electronic friendly. Probably could have guessed that. Maybe. You were feeling kind of like it was going to do well.
I thought it was going to do better on our last test subject there.
Yeah, so
not so much.
We're going to give it a shot here. I think we were being really, so the last time we used this machine, we were being really gentle because we were doing glass on the S22 Ultra and we were trying to keep it super clean. Yeah. We've still got those settings loaded in here. It was a speed of 3,000, a power of 35, and a frequency of 200. With a line distance of 0.1. I think we can just tighten that line distance up a little bit and go right out at the gate there and see what we get.
Let's see what happens.
I mean, it looks okay. It's still a little yellow. It's melting.
Yeah.
Which is typical. With the CO2 Galvo, it's like you're melting it or you're doing nothing. Guess we can try one more time, just a nice flat area. Benefit of the doubt.
Yep.
But this is probably going to be a quick one, guys. We can drop the frequency, I guess, just to try something on like the radical other side of the spectrum.
Yeah.
Look for clues. I don't think high frequency is going to do it here. Okay, here we go. Let's get it lasered.
Good luck, little friend.
Oh, not bad. Second pass?
Yeah.
Third pass, and it's starting to burn. If you guys are going to use a CO2 Galvo to mark a Pixel Buds Pro case, and you really don't have anything else, really fast, super light, low frequency. I think our winning setting was 1 pass at 2000 speed, 20 power, 50 kilohertz. And we're using a bidirectional hatch at 0.075 millimeter line distance. And it was very hard to see. It was very, very clear, very transparent, and
Expect disappointment.
expect disappointment. Fiber. It's the final stop for the Pixel Buds Pro. We're here at the Fiber Laser, and I'm feeling good about this one, man. We had great success with the AirPods, so I'm thinking that the Pixel Buds are gonna do great as well.
I agree.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and get it in here. I'd really like this to be accessible to everybody. I know you can always count on having a high frequency mark that's gonna work fairly well with plastic, but not everybody can get into those 100, 200 kilohertz ranges. So I think we should start somewhere around 80 here. We got good results with the AirPods on those.
Agreed. So 2000 speed, 35 power, 80 frequency, 202 pulse.
Yep.
And
Sticking with that 0.05.
0.05 interval.
Yeah.
Seems to be the happy spot with the plastics.
Yeah. We'll keep the crosshatch for now too. That seemed to be working pretty well. All right, dude, let's get it lasered.
Letting her rip.
I mean, hot damn. What is that? Is that brown?
That is like a light brown.
Yeah, weird. So we actually accidentally ran 2 passes on that. So it's a little hotter than we wanted. I think if we just cut that down to, we don't even need the crosshatch. I mean, that very first second of the first mark looked great. So we're back down to 1 pass, and we ditched the crosshatch.
Yep.
It looked really good.
We're gonna try one and done.
All right, let's see it. And there's the mark. How are we looking?
Good. Now we did that over a prior mark.
Yeah, we did.
So we have to keep that in mind, but the color and the consistency, I think is great.
Where are we on the color?
That's like a dark gray.
Yeah, great, perfect. We do have like a little spot up here, so we could try to just reduce size a little bit and
Get
try
a
to
clean
get
mark.
a final clean one we can show off. Let's
right.
try it again. We're not making any settings changes. We're just doing it in a clean area because we're really pretty happy with how that looks. So
Get a clean comparison.
Yep, totally. Let's see it. I love the like dust plasma pillars that we get on that. Are really, really cool. And there's that final mark right there.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah, and it seems scratch resistant. It's not rubbing off at all.
Not really much of a texture either.
Yeah, it's
in there though.
It's pretty flat. I mean, you can feel it definitely, but it's not something that I would make a note about. You know, man, after magnifying it on the camera, I'm kind of feeling like it would benefit from a crosshatch. So maybe if we half the power and run the crosshatch. I'm being nitpicky, but I'm seeing a little bit of weird kind of line action around the L. So where were we on the power?
35 on the power, so maybe 20? 25? Wait.
19. I don't know why I did. I'm just, you know, they're speaking to me.
19 with the crosshatch.
Yeah.
Let's see how she looks.
Yikes. I think,
Doesn't look as good.
no, I think maybe just that one though looked pretty good. We can get rid of the crosshatch again and try it at this low power. That didn't look bad to me. We're running out of room, but I don't know. I mean, we have good settings, so we can stop if we need to, but let's let that one rip and just check it out real quick. Yeah, still. So yeah, not much of an improvement. You can play around with it and see if you can get that a little bit better. I would still probably argue that I like the UV mark the best.
I agree.
But
that beautiful gray just pops.
It just pops, but that's not a bad mark by any stretch.
I think it's very acceptable, and I think the fiber has given us a clean comeback here at the end.
Yeah, definitely. So happy with that, and it served its purpose, so you know what that means. While you guys are kicking back and enjoying Lasered, we just wanted to remind you that while we are eviscerating an entire slew of electronics during this show, we have been very careful to make sure that we are completely thorough in removing 100% of the lithium-ion batteries that are contained within the components we're marking. please never mark lithium-ion batteries with a laser. It can be extremely dangerous and can end in a serious fire. This one hurts me, dude.
I know.
I really wanted to pocket these. But
You're a pixel guy.
you gotta do what you gotta do. That's a lot of fire.
That is a significant amount of fire.
That's the fieriest thing we've done so far. It's blowing out the camera. I gotta turn the ISO down. Can we run that again? Oh, yeah, that's better. Look at it go.
Such fire, much wow.
Yeah, for real. Again, these headphone cases, this is just like the AirPods episode. Just gone.
Yep.
Just gone. Really just didn't,
Smoldering plastic.
did not, oh no. Did we get the bud? I think we got the bud in the crossfire. Look, oh no. Oh no, dude. Yikes. Oh, look at that hole. You can see clean through. Yikes, dude.
It's a few pixels of daylight, you're saying?
Yeah, just a few. That's gnarly for sure. Can't quite break it, but man, look, it's just dangling. It's just dangling by a thread. Would you say that this is lasered?
I'd say it's lasered, but I'd still like a cut out of it.
Yeah, let's try a cut then. Let's see if we can get a cut. Oh boy, it's gonna be gnarly. Whoa! I think our bud is free, man. Oh no, keep going, keep cutting it.
It's been strategically extracted.
Yeah, it's a surgical removal. Yeah, that's, I think the whole thing is just on fire at this point. Would you say so?
I'd say so.
Okay, maybe we can stop. Oh dear. Well, there it is, guys. Are you pleased now with this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, okay. All right, let's just go ahead and. All right, I think we've made our point. UV?
To the UV.
Okay. So far, I think you could say the Pixel Buds Pro got a professional engraving from Laser Everything.
Yep.
And there's really not much of the Pixel Buds Pro left on the table. The fiber really did a number on this one.
You could really say we left our mark on it.
Yeah, I would say so. It's just vaporized. There's really nothing left. But we do have a little bit of area over here on the right side. I'd love to try to line that up again with the earbud channel so that we can get that cool effect that we got on the AirPods Pro episode.
Drill a hole right into its cavity.
Sweet, let's do it. Just like the fiber, man, this one is chewing like right through this case.
Yeah.
This might be the worst smelling thing we've had on the show so far.
Yeah, like roadkill from last week.
Like I'm getting a headache, like just being in the room. It's really bad. Next time we shoot a season of this show, we need to get like 3M respirators or something.
3M, feel free to reach out.
Yeah, please, immediately. And it looks like it's in the like little earbud channel now again, and it's doing that really cool, like almost plasma beam effect.
I think we're gonna have to live focus down a little bit more.
Yeah, definitely. It's just so cool, like that blue, the blue hue that you get in there, and it's got like that little, it almost looks like a plasma ball, you know? It's got like that plasma ball line, and you've got the glow from the fire.
bouncing around inside the little charge hole.
Yeah, that's definitely really cool. I'm kind of glad we discovered that on the AirPods Pro by accident because it's making for some great shots with these earbuds.
Absolutely.
Dude, I swear to God, we're all the way through this thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it.
Yeah, let's stop it here.
There's not much to look at after the fact, but I'm thinking we got it done. What do you think, Kyle? Would you call that lasered?
Well done.
Well done. There's a well done lasered for you guys. That's going to be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you had a blast this time, please don't forget to hit the like button. Let everybody else know that you had fun watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified the next time Kyle and I create a sci-fi Warzone aftermath.
Very melty even.
Ugh. As always, we are a viewer-supported channel, and we're supported via our subscription service called the Laser Master Academy. If you guys enjoyed this episode of Lasered, don't forget to check that out as well. There's a link in the description right next to the giveaway link, or you can check it out over at masters.lasereverything.net. And thank you so much to everybody who's supported us so far and made that possible. I'm going to hop onto Amazon and see how much fume hoods cost, because apparently we need one of those now.
Agreed.